If you or your partner snores at night, don't miss this short clip. I'm Dr. Sethi. Snoring might mean that you're not getting enough air through your mouth and nose while sleeping. Maybe because something is blocking your airway. It is normal to snore a bit with a cold, but if it happens a lot, it could be a bigger issue called obstructive sleep apnea. This can lead to daytime sleepiness, high blood pressure, heart issues, diabetes, and concentration problems. If you or your partner is a regular snorer, talk to your doctor. You may need a sleep study to check for sleep apnea.